learned that the first step in creating a variable is to define it using the keyword let. Then inside the function setup, you need to initialize it, or give it a starting value. So we have shade and we're saying set it equal to 100, or give it the value of 100. Finally, you have to use it. So inside the parameter, or the argument for background, we put the variable shade. And then we're able to change this. Now, one thing to note is that when you declare a variable outside of function setup and draw at the top here, this is a global variable, meaning you could use it in function setup, you could use it in function draw, you could use it all over the place. But let's say I declared it inside here, meaning if I just wrote let shade equal 10 here, what would happen? If I hit play now, we get an error. I see this part is highlighted in red, and it says reference area error, shade is not defined, sketch line 9. It doesn't know what shade is. It only knows what shade is inside the function setup. And I can prove it to you. If I cut this out and paste it down here instead, so declaring it, initializing it, and using it just inside function setup, it will work. So if you want a variable to work anywhere, you need to declare it outside of here, above the function setup, and then it's a global variable and it can work anywhere. But if you define it or declare it inside the function setup or inside the function draw, it will only work there. And that is called a local variable.